In this video, we're going to figure out what kind of graph would be best for this particular problem. So if we have a problem like this that says, what type of graph would you use to show the number of apples in 4 different grocery stores if apples came in bags of 10? Store 1 has 2 bags of apples. Store 2 has 1 bag. Store 3 has 3 bags. And Store 4 has 2 bags of apples. So would it be better to use a stem and leaf plot, a line graph, a circle graph, or a pictograph? For this particular one, a pictograph would be the best graph to use because it compares 2 or more values that are a multiple of a number. So there's 2 values here that are a multiple of a number. So here is how the pictograph would look. We have bags, and so each store has different amounts of bags, and then each bag has 10 apples. So there's 2 bags here, so you multiply by 10 to get the number of total apples for store 1. So that's 20 apples in store 1. Here we have 1 bag and then 10 apples. So 10 apples in store 2 because it's 1 bag times 10. Then in store 3 we have 3 bags of apples. Each bag has 10 apples, so we multiply 3 times 10 to figure out that there's 30 apples in store 3. And store 4 has 2 bags, and there's 10 apples in each bag, so we multiply by 10 to get 20 apples in store 4. So we could see that this type of graph compares 2 or more values that are a multiple of a number. So here we have 2 values. There's number of bags, and then there's 10 apples in each bag, so it's different multiples. So don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. And thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.